In today's song of the hashtag, the Pro Challenge, we got a song that actually has ukulele in the actual song. That was a pop and rock hit. This is a song my friend told me years ago to learn, and I never did, and now I regret it because I had to spend a while today learning it. But I feel good about it. It's an amazing song. This one is Hey Soul Sister by Train. So I'm excited about this song because it's really a 5-chord song, but it has a difficult strum pattern that I want to show you. That's really cool. It's kind of pretty busy. Actually, let me show it to you now. It's going to sound like this. But you can get it down. Also, I'm going to keep it in the original key of E, which is going to give us some bar chords, but we got to get out of the habit of just playing C and F and stuff like that. So I wanted you to challenge yourself a little bit. By the way, I couldn't resist. I'm playing the Koloha KCM 25 Silver Anniversary Concert. This one is called Kardashian. It is actually in my store, so check it out. It's pretty awesome. What are you playing, by the way? Do you have a Koloha? And by the way, I have a high G on this bad boy, or bad girl, I guess. All right, so let me show you. Got it? Grab your E chord. Okay, I'm going to show you the rhythm first. It's going to go like this. It's actually not that hard to really figure out. It's just simply down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's one measure. And for the most part, all the chords in this song get one measure. So if you're counting, to be like 1E and the 2E and the 3 and the 4E and, or down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so now the intro, it's like the verse. So it's E. Let me show it to you. E to the B chord. You're going to do the same thing, same rhythm. Up to the C sharp minor. And then to the A. Now that's the first part of the verse. Now the second part of the verse does the same thing. E, B, C sharp minor, A. Except for that last part of the A. It just does an A for half a measure, and then you're going to slide it up to a B and do that for a half measure. Okay, so let's do these first two parts of the verse. Okay, I'll walk you through it, kind of go nice and slow. 1E, 2E, and the 3 and the 4. So 1E and the 2E and the 3 and now to the B and now to the C sharp minor. Now to the A. Just stay on A. Now we're going to repeat it. Go to E now. This will be the second half of the verse right here. Now to the B. C sharp minor. Now check this out. Here's where it changes. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the verse. Now, when we get to the chorus, hey, soul sister. All right. There's really only two measures that repeat several times over. Let me just play those two measures and I'll show you what I'm doing. And that's it. So it's A to that B and then that little turnaround. So a measure of A, same rhythm. Then you're going to go to the B chord. And check this out. You're going to go 2 beats, 2E, and then on beat 3, you're going to grab the E chord real quick. And then right back to the B chord on beat 4. Okay, so let's just play those two measures. Here we go. Ready, and here we go. And that matches really nice with the vocal. So you do that, do it again, you do it again, and then the last time, just the last two measures of this chorus are going to be this A. And it's just going to stop right there on that B on beat 3, okay? And that's it. That's the whole chorus. So let's go ahead and dive into this thing now. We're going to do some singing. Hey, 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 your lipstick stained. We're going to do right from the top, little intro part. And then we'll do the verse, and we'll do a chorus, and we're going to stop right there on that B chord. Are you ready? I'm excited. Come on, let's add it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I'd never forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeams, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I had decided, who's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo? The way you move it ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. All right, so there you go. Hey, soul sister. Woo! Always a little challenging. I gotta admit, doing a little playing and the singing, but great song, great ukulele song as well. So good luck to you on your challenge. I can't wait to see your videos, and we'll see you in the next one.